गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे आज विद अ न्यू टॉपिक, होल नंबर्स। ओके, आपने प्रैक्टिस की थी फिर लास्ट एक्सरसाइजेस की। इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, राइट इन कमेंट बॉक्स, आई विल सॉल्व इट। ओके, नाउ विल स्टार्ट द टॉपिक होल नंबर्स। बच्चों, यू नो what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. Natural numbers are the numbers which start from 1. Okay, so this is exercise 2.1. Let's start the question. Write next three natural numbers after 10,999. See, three numbers after, either you plus 1 or you simply know the counting. What comes after 10,999 is 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. Okay, see the next question. Write three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. This is a predecessor. See, three numbers before 10,001 is 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. Okay, these are very simple things you must be knowing. What is the smallest whole number? I just told you what is the smallest whole number is 0. Smallest natural number is 1. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? 32 and 53. Count the numbers after 32 and before 53. They are 20. Okay? Now see. What is a successor? What is a successor? I just tell you one thing. Successor means one number ahead. आगे का success means, इसको याद कैसे करोगे? Successor and predecessor में बच्चे confuse होते हैं. Successor means one step ahead. Pre means one step before. Okay. Now the fifth question is, write the successor of. You have to find out the successor of. Successor means the next number. Since these numbers are big in numerals, so you can have confusion. The simple way is to add one. अगर कहीं भी confusion आ रही है आपको, add one to it and give the answer. Otherwise, you can do it orally also. See, 2440701. The next number would be 2440702. Successor is 2440702. 1, 2. One step, one number ahead. Okay. See, 100199. Listen, students. This is, you can add one here. You can do it orally also, and you can simple by addition. If there is any confusion, do it. Okay, the successor is 100200, 199 and 200. Understood? See the next number. Add 1. This is simple. One lakh 10,000. Okay. See. This is 2345670. This is 70. So here it will come orally. I am telling you both the methods. See, You can do it orally also. It is very simple. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay. Now students, let's proceed on to question number 7. In each of the following pairs of the number, state which whole number is on the left side of the other number on the number line. You know what is? See students, first see which number is greater. 530 is greater or 503 is greater? 503. 530 is greater than 503. So 503 is on the left side of 530. Okay. 370 is greater or 307 is greater? See, 370 is greater. In this number, it is greater. In this number, this is greater. The number which is lesser is on the left side of greater number. Okay, number which is less is on the left side of the greater number. So let's student proceed on to exercise 2.2. I'll give you the explanation of properties. These are the properties. First is closure properties. These are the properties of whole numbers. Okay. First property is closure property. Second property is commutative property. You must have heard these words. I'll explain you. Associative property. Distributive property. Okay. Closure property of whole numbers is, it is only possible in the case of addition and multiplication. How? See. I'll explain you here. A plus B A plus B. The result is we get whole number. Result we get is whole number. If we multiply into B, again we get the result whole number. It is not possible in the case of subtraction, because in case if the subtraction is A is greater than B, so we will not get a whole number. We will get an integer, but we will not get a whole number in case of subtraction. Okay. Now next is commutative property. Commutative property is also possible in the case of addition and multiplication. See how. Let's say A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. It is also possible A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. This is commutative property. Commutative property is not possible in subtraction. Okay. Associative property. In associative property, see, there are three numbers. A plus B plus C. If A and B are in bracket, is equal to the sum of B plus C. Okay. See, it is possible in addition. Right. In multiplication, how we will write? A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to C, students. Okay, understood? A plus B means, let's say we take the number A 2, B 3 and C 4. Okay. 2 plus 3, again we add both of them, 5 plus 4 is 9. Here also 2 plus 3 plus 4, add these and we'll get an answer 9. Right? See students, let's start with exercise 2.2. This is the first question. See, 837 plus 208 plus 363. Arrange it and then add it. It is very simple. See, how will you guess which number will come in the bracket? See the last numbers which make simple 10, 100, zeros. See 7 and 3 makes 10. Add both of them and leave this. This is what associative property. Okay. Add both of them then and get the answer 1408. Right. Now this is 4-digit number. How will you select which number we have to keep in the bracket? This is 2. To make 10 we need 8. Okay. So keep these two numbers in the bracket and keep these two numbers in the bracket. Add it and you will get the answer. Okay. I am just telling you which numbers we have to keep it in the bracket. Otherwise the question is simple addition. Okay. Let's question number 2. Question number 2 is find the product by suitable rearrangements. Now we have to find the product. We have already done the properties. So we have to choose the two numbers which give the value of say 100 zeros. So select the two number. This is the question. 2 into 1768 into 50. So we'll select 50 and 2 in the bracket and 1768 outside. This is A, this is B and this is C. According to associative property of multiplication. This is associative multiplication. Okay, this comes to 100 into 1768 gives the answer this. In this question, which two numbers we have to select which gives 10, the figure of zeros? See, 4 and 25, that comes to 100. It becomes so easy, so easy to multiply. 100 into 166 is this. Okay, these are all associative property of multiplication. 8 and 125, multiply them, we'll get 1000 into 291. Simple. 285 into 5 into 60. See which numbers are giving zeros. 60 into 5. Again. 285 multiply by 3 and add on 2 zeros more. Now this is the 4-digit number. Select two numbers which give the zeros. See 125 and 8. 40 and 25. 1000 into 1000 gives us this number. Okay? It is very easy. Since I have done question number 4 before, find the product using the suitable properties. See the number. This is 783 plus in 708. This, see the number. 783 multiplied by 103. Break 103. We can write 103 as 100 plus 3. See, this is distributive property. B plus C. We will multiply 783 with 100 and then again with 3. Okay, multiply it and we'll get the answer. Okay, in this question also, which part we have to break up? 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. Multiply 854 by 100, then multiply by 2. Add both of them, you will get the answer. 258, break this. 1000 plus 8. Again multiply this with 8, you get the answer. Okay. In this case, 1005, break it. 1000 plus 5 into 168. You get the answer. This and this, add both of them, you will get the answer. These this question was all according to distributive property, because see, multiply and addition, both of them are coming in one question, right? Understood? So students, let's proceed on to question number 3. The first number is 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. See, these are both multiplication, you are seeing, and addition is in between. Take common out of both of them. We have taken 297 is common. 17 plus 3. 297 into 20 gives the answer. Multiply both of them. You will get an answer for 5940. Okay. See in this question. There are 4 numerals. Addition is in between. Take common. We have taken it. And 92 plus 8. Added, we will get 100. Again we will multiply. We get an answer 5427900. In this question, subtraction is there. Take common. Again 169 minus 69 gives us 100. We get the answer this if we multiply. See in this question, 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782. Plus is coming here. Again 769 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 218. No numeral is common in this. So first we break it. Break 25 here. Okay. Again see. Multiply it. In these two numerals we have taken common. This as common and we left with this number. 1000 into 19225 is this. Okay? Understood? Okay. Let's proceed on to question number 5. Taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. 40 liters of petrol on Monday. 50 liters of petrol on Tuesday. Total quantity 50 plus 40 and the cost of petrol is 40 rupees. This comes to 90 multiplied with 44 and you get the answer 3960. See, this is according to which? Distributive property. Okay? Let's see the students. According to this question, quantity of milk supplied in morning is 32 liters. Quantity of milk supplied in evening is 68 liters. Add both of them, it becomes distributive, and this is the cost. Cost per liter milk multiplied with this comes to 100. 45 multiplied by 100 gives us 4500. Okay. Now students, practice and practice. Okay. Any problem, write in the comment box. Coming with a new video. Bye.